Ogai machon mar doho ma pachoka David Maraga nyiero paro ma jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ni go maloko Kenya bedo piny man kod lony gi dongruok man nimba kaka pinje mag joagunda. Maraga kone jatend piny Ruto ni paro makamano ok yor chopo ahinya to kaluwore kod weche mag mibadhi ma onuro sectors ma pachoka e bwo tend Kenya Kwanza. Maraga olose kinde mane otimo limbe paro mosindo jaod bura machon ma Lugari Cyrus Jirongo.
Challenged them to tell us where the funding of the empowerment is coming from. As far as I'm concerned, that is all bribery, which is being given to the voters. First of all, I mean, stern action taken against them. Stern action against them, and he supports it. That's the only way we can know that he is serious. But otherwise, this is a PR exercise. You can't go to Singapore. The history of Singapore will tell you that the Prime Minister, Lee Kuan Yew, got even his relatives in prison. There is a minister who was being investigated. When he came round, Lee Kuan Yew told him, look, you're on your own, I will not support you. That minister committed suicide. Who, as the president, told that, he will not support him. We know money was stolen from Shah. Have you had anybody being taken to court? Have you had anybody being taken to court in all these cases where money has been paid to go to schools under this, and then somebody comes and tells you that he's going to go to Singapore?